Everyone there, I want your attention here because in next few minutes I am going to tell you about digital product that people are selling online and making around $6,000 a month just by selling those products. But before that, if you are new here, my name is Izhan and in this channel I am aiming to share make money online methods for free so that you can earn money online. So the digital products that I am going to discuss in this video are simple to make and with AI tools present nowadays on the internet will help you to create those products in just a few clicks. That means you are just a few clicks away from making money online. So let me disclose those products with you so that you can find the best products for selling online. You can sell these products on sites like Etsy. But before that, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I always share such content on making money online so that you don't miss any of update from this channel. So the first digital product that I want to share is Motivational Quotes Frames Design. There are many people who want to be motivated all the time, so they frame these motivational quotes in front of themselves either on study desk or walls, and such digital products have high demand. You have to create motivational quotes design and then just post it on sites from where you can easily sell those designs in digital form so that people who buy those designs can easily print and frame those designs for themselves, and by doing this you can earn money. So here is how you can design a motivational quote frames to sell. So for a motivational quote in any category like health, business and wealth, head over to ChatGPT and write a prompt that I have provided in description so that ChatGPT will suggest you motivational quotes. You can also find multiple quotes from Google. So find the best quote that has potential to be sold. After that, head over to Canva where there are multiple templates already present to create motivational quote frames. But I will suggest you to create a custom design and make it best. You can also find some ideas about designing frames from Pinterest by just searching for motivational quotes frames. Here on Pinterest, you can see that too many designs are generated for you to create your own custom frame to sell. Now let's move on. Second digital product that you can sell online, animal flashcards. These digital products are used to teach kids about different animals that are present on Earth, and this is the basic design of such flashcards. And trust me, by using the AI tools that are present nowadays on the internet, you can create such cards easily in just a few clicks. This is just an example. You are not bound to create animal flashcards. You can also create countries, flags, alphabets and insects flashcard. Here is how you can create animal flashcards easily in just a few clicks. So first of all, head over to ChatGPT and give it a prompt so that ChatGPT can give you a list of different animals. Don't worry, I have provided those prompts in the description box of this video. After getting that list, you can use multiple AI image generating sites like Dolly and Midjourney and create the image of these animals. After getting images from there, you can use Canva to create the cards and save them as a PDF and sell those PDFs. Here is how you can use Canva to create designs of those flashcards. So in Canva, you have to search for flashcards and you can see how amazing flashcard templates are present here. So you can also get multiple ideas from here regarding flashcards. You just simply choose any template and replace those images and add some text, and your flashcards are ready. So go and design those flashcards and sell them on Etsy and earn as much as you can. Digital product number 3 is thank you tags. These are simple tags that people use to say thank you to someone, and you can also design such tags according to the customer you are targeting. Like if your targeted customers are girls within age of 10 to 15, then you can create Barbie thank you cards for them because they like Barbie too much. And likewise, you can create multiple thank you tags designs using Canva and sell them online in PDF, JPG or PNG form and earn money. Digital product number 4 is bookmarks. Many people like to read books and to remember the page number they use bookmarks, and for designing bookmarks you can use Midjourney for designs and Canva for editing. You can get bookmark ideas from Pinterest, and these bookmarks are easy to make and will become a passive income source for you to make a good earning. And if you want me to create a video to teach you step by step how to design such digital products, then you can ask me in the comment, and when there will be a sufficient amount of comments, I will definitely make a video for you guys on this. Now let's move on. Digital product number 5, wedding cards design. Yes, you can make wedding cards and sell them online. You can design those wedding cards online from Canva, and when you get any order, you just simply add the name of bride and groom on the card and send it to your customer, and they will pay you for this. And don't worry, there are a lot of templates present on Canva to adjust little bit, and then you can sell it. And you can also get ideas from Pinterest, and for image generation you can use Midjourney or inbuilt Dolly present in Canva. So these are the 5 best digital products to start designing and earning money today, and I wish you all the very best for your upcoming earnings. If you like my video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends, because sharing is caring, and leave a comment for more videos like this one. Thank you.